Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Houston Homes for Sale. My name is Rachael Banks with Wazell Properties, and I am a realtor in Houston, Texas. Today we are going to take a look at a gorgeous community in Conroe, Texas called Foster's Ridge. This community has an HOA fee of $850 annually and a tax rate of 3.33%. Homes in this community start in the 210s. The home we are looking at today is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a study. It is 2,034 square foot and is currently listed at $239,190. Foster's Ridge has many different floor plans to choose from. There are always different incentive programs going on for the buyer, so please contact me using my information listed below in the details to get the most current incentive programs. As always, please click subscribe to see more new home communities in the Houston and surrounding area. Thank you for stopping by.